From this video, we will talk about study tips for D-XTR-DS-A-24 Dell XtremIO Design exam and share some practice exam. 4 ideas and tips for your preparation. Create a study plan. Understand the topics. Hands-on practice. Take practice exams. You should study the 7 topics thoroughly to prepare well. Take online D-XTR-DS-A-24 practice exam to test yourself. 1. What is the recommended action during the fill phase of the POC toolkit? A. Create LUNs equaling 90% of the capacity of the array. B. Completely overwrite the LUNs at least twice. C. Use multiple I/O size and read-write ratio workloads. D. Scatter writes across entire storage system. Answer: D. 2. You need to design a VDI solution for a customer. Which recommended best practices should be used for VDI environments? A. Align data on 8 kilobytes boundaries. Put all VDI-related data on one large LUN. B. Align data on 4 kilobytes boundaries. Allocate multiple XtremIO LUNs to each host. C. Align data on 4 kilobytes boundaries. Put persona and user data on XtremIO LUNs. D. Align data on 8 kilobytes boundaries. Put the master VM image on an XtremIO LUN. Answer: B. 3. Which SCSI instructions are used to build a bitmap of the changes between the first snapshot and subsequent snapshots when recover point is used with XtremIO? A. SCSI diff. B. SCSI delta. C. SCSI transfer. D. SCSI update. Answer: A. 4. How would a storage administrator navigate to different XtremIO clusters from the web UL if the administrator has more than one cluster managed by the same XMS? A. Click on System Settings icon on the top menu bar. B. Click the Administration tab and locate the cluster name. C. Click the cluster name on the status bar at the bottom of the screen. D. Click the Inventory List button on the navigation menu. Answer: D. 5. What is true about the Solaris-specific configuration settings? A. Disable flow control. B. Increase the maximum I/O size parameter. C. Enable flow control. D. Decrease the maximum I/O size parameter. Answer: C. 6. When using the XtremIO POC toolkit, what is the purpose of the age phase? A. Test the performance of the all-flash array with non-production static data. B. Overwrite each LUN multiple times to ensure they contain all unique data. C. Continuously write to a specific range of logical block addresses to test flash durability. D. Scatter writes across the entire array to simulate ordinary use of the system. Answer: B. 7. Which values are required to enter a generic workload into the XtremIO sizing tool? A. Bandwidth, I/O size, and latency. B. IOPs, bandwidth, and latency. C. Capacity, IOPs, and read ratio. D. IOPs, I/O size, and bandwidth. Answer: D. 8. What is an example of a decision support systems, DSS, workload? A. Data warehouse. B. Online banking applications. C. Order entry applications. D. Airline reservation systems. Answer: A. 9. What is an accurate statement about XtremIO XVC refresh operations? A. Only snapshot to production refresh is supported. B. OS side device scan is not required. C. Unmount of a production volume is not required. D. Refreshed volume cannot be resized. Answer: C. 10. When creating extreme low volumes for a host, which operating systems will benefit by changing the default logical block size for applications consisting of 4 kilobytes IOs? A. VMware ESX and Microsoft Windows, BRHEL and IBM X, C. Sun Solaris and Hydrogen Phosphide UX, D. Microsoft Windows and RHEL. Answer: A.